YouTube. It's been quite a weekend. It was quite a week last week. First of all, we don't have any AC, so it's freaking hot. Our makining hole, our central air is down. Trying not to lose our marbles, yeah. And so because the AC is down, all of our windows are open, so I hope the audio is okay. If not, just turn me up to level 100 on your earphones or whatever, however you're watching me. Like I said, it was a week last week from Charlie Kirk's assassination, remembering 9/11, the school shootings, all of it just accumulating, and then people pretty much celebrating. Devastating, heartbreaking, very disappointing and upsetting. So I took the weekend off from Friday till today, Sunday, but when you're seeing this, it's Monday. Sort of. I logged off. I turned notifications off for TikTok and Instagram, but I was scrolling on YouTube, so I don't know if that really counts. I wanted to be on top of it with what was going on with the investigation with Mr. Kirk's assassination. I decided to do that in order not to come back on today or Monday, if I do decide to come back Monday or maybe Tuesday, and have all this new information that I have to keep up with or catch myself up on. Here we are, kind of breaking out of that. So for the weekend, or today in particular, I'm gonna do a haul. Something fun, something interesting, not about the other things, okay? Even though the other things are very important to me too. Today's Sunday, so we go to the Windward Market Mall. We picked up a couple things from there. Where we park to enter the Windward Mall, Kikovaina, we passed through Target, so we stopped there and picked up some stuff too. And then all the way home, we stopped at Foodland Farms. Bye bye, Harvey. Lemay. Puwapaina? Puwapaina, ele. Ohala papa. Puwapaina. We're gonna get a tough one. Yeah, I'll just keep this out. I got the glasses. Okay, Tita. Video.
Oh, thank you for video.
Yeah, haki hello.
Ava.
Kanaiba kuma hiku. Anak kalau new glasses. Yes. So we have some groceries from there too. We also went to Fiji, his tribute concert last night at Kapi'olani Park.
always come across the hard life like that.
It was very fun. It was enjoyable. It was just me and Anaka. But yeah, he went with ohana of ours. And it was just a good time. Everybody around us was very respectful. A lot of people wanted to get up and dance. I wanted to get up and dance, and we did. But we were just cautious of the people behind us not being able to see the screen if we were to stand up and hula hula. But it was a good time. They split it up into 3 sets. Food vendors galore. Couldn't have llama. You couldn't bring llama inside the gated or closed off area. And it was my table. Whole time. Okay, let's start with the market stuff, which is not very much. First is ono for mango breads, banana breads, chocolate chip, mochi bread powder. What did she make it with? Mochiko powder or something. Our favorite as chocolate lovers is the chocolate chip. But this time we got the macadamia vanilla macnut. Mochi, banana bread, vanilla macnut. This lasts us about a week. I interchange. I don't just give Vayahi this all one time. I give her piece by piece every other day. Kind of stretch them, stretch them. Okay, we also stopped by this, I think she's a makohine and her kikikane, a mother and son. Their business is treats or baked goods. We picked one up from there too, but we ate it at the mall. Vayahi wanted to eat it there at the mall and picked one up for our ohana, kikikane, our ohana as well. And we got a summer roll and spring roll from a makuahine on the first floor. Right when you come out of Target, she's right there next to the closest to the food vendor, facing the food court. And she has these cups with tapioca and fruit inside. But that, you gotta get there early because it sells out. And that's it for the market today. We still get leftovers. We usually pick up fruits and veggies too, but we still get leftovers from last week. So we never pick up any more of that. Target time. Okay, Target's one is a little newy. So here we go. This is 2 for $7. This is a smaller bag of the sea salt potato chips. The other one was oil and vinegar or salt and vinegar jalapeno. Gone already. We ate it all on the way home. And I love because the ingredients is right there. Potatoes, avocado oil, sea salt. Kiko. Egg Life egg white wraps original. Protein packed, no flour, low carb. 1 carb, 11 grams protein, and 50 calories. So this looks good. I can't wait to try. Yum, yum, yum. Bacon, egg, cheese tacos, peanut butter jelly? Ham and cheese wrap? Look at the back right there. There's 6 wraps in this, so. Oh, let me do this one right now because I gotta put it in the freezer. Strawberry and banana blend for our smokies. Next, what do we have here? Oh, this one too, we gotta go in the freezer. Alaska sockeye salmon fillet. Skin on. Target's brand, yeah? Good gather. Are these individually wrapped? Oh, yes, they are. Okay, perfect. So there's a hack. Just take them out of the bag and store them like this. Get rid of that. Just a thought. Hello. Aloha. King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. Always a staple. Always a staple. What else here? Okay, just some aimama I think I picked up for Vayahi. Tillamook whole milk mozzarella. Kikahimai. Oh, this is for all of us. Banza rice made from chickpeas, garlic. Why did I think this was quinoa? Okay, quinoa. Huh? Hot meal. Oatmeal, love. Okay, yeah, like this is a rice. Chickpeas, pea starch, tapioca, salt, garlic powder, yeast extract, dried parsley, onion powder. Cool. It's primarily carbs, but there's no sugars, or there's total 2 sugars. Total sugars 2 grams, 9 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber. Oh, this. So I mentioned in a video, what was it? A week in my life. We wanted to pick up this aimama to test it to see if Vayahi liked it. So that when we go to Disney, I do a pickup order or a drop-off order, groceries just to keep in the room from Target, from the Target that's nearby in Anaheim. And she liked it. She enjoyed it. So we picked up another flavor. Apple, pear, pineapple, raspberry. Okay. Made with real fruit, no added sugar. Here, hand me hoi. Mako, Vahi ay mama ni. Hoi mama. And then kilo. Oh my God, Bella. Did I mention our AC is off? It's down for maintenance, so it's a little Bella. That's why the windows are open. The audio might be a little bit louder or more noisier than usual. Oikos 000 Vayutepe. 15 grams of protein, 0 added sugar, 0 artificial sweeteners, 0% fat. This is a Gabby Tuft recommendation. Kiloi ka opea ono? Okay. O noi vai oe kiloi ke kikani.
Superhero.
This is the peach flavored. It's a 4-pack with room for toppings, period. You know. Culture grade, a non-fat milk water, less than 1% of natural flavors. Tapioca starch, stevia leaf extract, lemon juice. Sea salt, vitamin D3 yogurt cultures. Contains milk. I think it's a win. I'll try it this week.
Halloween cookie.
Need I say more? Auwē. Okay, oh, then we picked up more mochiko flour for Anakala and his baking ventures. Mahalo nui.
Pancakes.
Oh, and then one more 100% pure maple syrup.
And pancakes.
Imiaha kaya? Palawa palai.
Palawa palay. Nina.
Okay, I'm gonna okay, ulu. Oh, look at this. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? I wanted to try the flavor. I've never tried this flavor before. Pineapple Paradise. And they don't sell it individually. And this is the only way I saw these SpongeBob themed ones sold. So it's a 4-pack. Mahalo, Olipop. Mahalo, Olipop. Okay, this is just lolly and stuff that we picked up. A couple skincare items I picked up as well. Hold on. 2 skincare items. I have finished my La Roche-Posay Salicylic Effaclar cleanser. I need another one. Right now I'm using my, what is that? The trial size or the travel size? Dermalogica? Is that what it's called? The Dermalogica Oat Exfoliator. It's blue, the blue bottle. I love that one. It has oatmeal, oat. I follow Dr. Dre, love Dr. Dre. That's a Dr. Dre recommended product. This one I haven't seen Dr. Dre recommend, but it's prequel. It's a 13.5 fluid ounce bottle. This is the Vaiho Kena. Head on my dad. Cleanser and salicylic acid non-drying cleanser. It spells cleanser with a G. Cleanser and S-A. Salicylic acid? Non-drying salicylic acid cleanser for face and body. pH 4.5, okay, 50% glycerin, 1% salicylic acid. It has no fragrance. I'm excited to give this a try. Okay, and this is for travel. So I might pack this for our trip to Disney. So I don't need to take a huge bottle of, I don't need to take this if I'm still using this. And then having to put it in another smaller bottle for travel, no. So I just take this because I've used this before and I love it. Water activated daily facial cleanser, fragrance free. Keyword, fragrance free. They have 2 other types, but the fragrance-free one is always the safest option, especially if you have sensitive skin. I think I have sensitive skin, I don't know. But gentle and fragrance-free is always the way to go. 32 dissolving pounds, you just put a little bit of water on top. Pow. And it's so travel-friendly because the thing is so small, so. Not important, but a brow pencil. NYX Micro Brow Pencil Crayon, okay, in black, I think. Black. Oh, and then couple clothes tingies. Originally, they were 10. They were on clearance for 5. I saw the clearance tag. I said, Hiki no. It's like a light blue color. It's cute. She's size 11, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Oh, and then couple lolly for her. I picked up Vayahi some tank tops because, again, it's Bella. And even when it's not, just to lounge around the house. Look how big this one. This is a 7/8. This is a medium 8. But I'm already just there already. Like, you know, she can grow into it and it'll be fine. So pink. Oh no, what's that? Something with leek. Oh, it's the white. Where's that from? Oh, probably from the frozen fruits. Okay. It's like gotta throw them in the wash anyway. It's okay. And then these shorts. Look, these lollipop by Pokole. Oh, they're cute. And the color scheme go well, yeah? The akala there. Sure. Anakala also got his sunglasses, like how you saw, yeah? From the kind. Where we got this from, babe? Locomotion. Knockaround.com.
TNC?
Oh, TNC. Yeah. TNC. TNC Surf. Aye. Also stopped at Hawaii's Finest. They had Fiji merch last night. I saw one Wahine wearing it when we went to dinner after the ahamele. It was really cute. And when we saw it in store, I thought to myself, is this kind of a lasting thing? You know, would I wear this just for, I probably would have. They had tank top and a shirt. The tank top was the one I was gravitating more towards. But then I thought, don't do it. I would do it just to support the Ohana and support his legacy of music. But I decided to just get one for Vaiahi instead. And then Anakala picked up one too. So this is the same design on the keiki. It's the same design that's on the makua. The one I wanted was camouflage all over with Fiji, his name on the front. Never had nothing in the back. But this one I like because look, it's all black, yeah, with his name on the front. But when you turn it around, get his name big on the back like that. So cute. So daddy-daughter can match. Sure, love it. Okay, we're wrapping it up here with our haul from Foodland Farms. Caesar salad mix. So exciting. More lemons, babe. More lemons. Yes, I'm still doing what I'm doing with my lemons, with my underarms and my underarmpits. Don't knock it until you try it. So more ay mama for vaina for the week. Malanui. What's that? Yeah. Okay, just hold on. Wait, kakari. Kahua vaina. Okay, we got a kali. Okay, pono vai holoi, pono vai hoi kia momia, alia iki ki olu olu. Takuan. A staple indeed. And then for tonight, I'm ono for some lau, and we have some poi from the farmers market last week that we never even opened yet. So that's what we're having. Lau. Kyoki, mahalo kyoki. And then last but not least, certainly not least, what do you have to have when you eat lau and poi? Fish. I'a. And I got something that I normally don't get. It's the poke taco kimchi. I never get that. But I saw it, I wanted to eat kimchi, and I got it. And so here we are. Yeah, I'm gonna open them up for you guys, and then we're gonna halele be done with this. Hold on. Kakari. Ikaw naman, ikaw. Fresh ahi poke, Hawaiian style. Delicious. Wait, hold on, guys. I'm signing off. Gotta put all this stuff away. I gotta auwē because I'm sweating bullets. I hope you took time off this weekend. Just some of the stuff, man. Some of the stuff that people, stupid Eno stuff. It's like lepo. It's pilau. I know a little. But those are the ones that you have to pray for. And those are the ones Jesus died for too. Yeah. Like all my YouTube videos, I'm not here for a long time. I'm just here for a good time. But the Fiji concert was very good. It was really nice. Where we were sitting in particular was perfect because we were close enough to the speakers that we could hear. And I don't know if it was that way, if it was a little bit more boring if you were further back. Because the further back you went, the less you could hear, the harder it was to hear anyway. I hope that wasn't the case for those who sat further back and their experience. But from where we were, it was popping. It was loud. But that's all I have for today, y'all. I'm looking forward to another week. I'm looking forward to another YouTube video. Take the time, be with your ohana. Log off if you haven't logged off yet. That's all. Just log off if you haven't logged off yet. Auwē o mahapē.